Orla, we've been facilitating online for over a year. What are some of the problems or challenges you've noticed in that time?
Hmm. Yeah, it's first off, we have to reinvent the playbook, switching from in-person experiences over to the online. And then after reinventing yourself, the technology still seems to get in the way. It's a big nuisance. And then lastly, I think it's just an overwhelm of information. It's really intense. How do we process it? Claire, how do you see us going forward from that?
I think one of the things we're forgetting is that we're human beings looking for a human experience, and no matter what digital platform we're on, we are still the same. So we have needs. We need emotion and connection and engagement, and we also need to be facilitated in how we learn, whether we're visual learners or auditory learners, or some of us need to move. So bringing all of that in and placing the human being right at the center of the design experience, I think is essential. So, with that in mind, Orla, we've been up to a bit of mischief. Tell us about our course coming up.
Yeah, we've Claire and myself have worked to use all of this skills and background that we have already for this 5 week online facilitation course. I'm going to be bringing my visual communications and design background. Claire's bringing her education and facilitation to it. Yeah, so Claire, what does it look like?
It looks like this, Orla. Over 5 weeks, we are going to be leading people through a design thinking process. Partly design thinking, because that really is about user centered experience. So, putting the being, the human, right into how we learn, how we teach, how we engage. It's going to be learning by doing. People will have a practical project that they have to apply. And so by the end of it, we want people to come away with more tools and techniques, more confidence, and a community of practitioners that they can learn alongside. So, how might people get involved, Orla?
Yes, find the Eventbrite link, book your tickets, and check out more information there. We start on April 27th. It's running Tuesdays. In Ireland, that's in the evenings. Yeah, ask us any questions you want. Would love to see you there.
Thanks so much. Looking forward to hosting with you, Orla, and with a whole community of learners together. Thank you so much.